Hi Shashwat. Yes, we are late. I will agree. But आज लंबा stream कर सकते हैं. So that's the benefit. Chat वगैरह निकालो एक second. We are late. I'm not disagreeing. Also मेरे को haircut के लिए जाना चाहिए. और I think कल सुबह I shall go. Yes. Chat को side में डालो. Boom. आवाज आ रही है? Okay, बढ़िया. Okay. Nice. You don't even have hair. सर के बाल और कौन से haircut? हाँ? That reminds me. I think I was here by the way. Relay का आज और थोड़ा यूज करूंगा डिजाइनिंग लाइक टेलविंड वगैरह के लिए. I kind of don't want to do that. We've got beverage ready. That's not even haircut. But what are you talking about? बहुत मेरे लिए काफी है. Uh, uh, it is way more for me. So I shall do tomorrow. Anyway. तो आज का plan क्या है? रिले का बस करना खत्म. थोड़ी बेसिक चीजें, थोड़ा बैक एंड फ्रंट एंड का एक दो पॉइंट्स डालने हैं. थोड़ा डीबी माइग्रेशंस भी करने हैं. नोड में पता नहीं कैसे करता है. So we should probably look into that. But I'll just start sharing my screen. And before I share my screen, मेरे को एक चीज चेक करनी है. I must groom my hair. I know. I तो गाय मैंने पूरा ऐसे था मेरा. It's not कि नहीं था. But like, damn, वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Shoulders is crazy. कोविड के टाइम था ना? Okay, that is checked. Stream layout is ready. Screen share. तो okay, I hope सब दिख रहा है. Oh my god, the Shweta काफी टाइम बाद है. What's been going on? हैं crazy. Actually, one thing. इसी मुझे LinkedIn पे चेक करना है. But I will check this in a separate tab. So let me just let me try something. एक second. Just let me try something. जो वो हाँ. 3, 1, 1, perfect. Color graphics. Oh, CG game. कौन सा CG game? The thing is, like मेरे को LinkedIn पे कुछ पर्सनल नहीं रहता ना, तो I'm just going to my post but in this way. Yeah, and this is it. Perfect. Okay. Back to screenshot. Oh, I'm CG Damn. मैंने CG गेम तो पहली बार मैंने इसको करते हुए. अच्छा ये क्या आ रहा है? Oh, okay. I'm kind of obliged to do it because of some reasons. Oh, okay. Fair. Man. Okay, so here's the thing. I do have मेरा thing running. हाँ मैंने ये कुछ ट्राई करा था. Right. मैं कल कर रहा हूँ। Now the thing is, मुझे एक बार post endpoints check करना है, तो I think it would be better अगर मैं इधर backend spin up करूँ. Also, I just hope light white का आज मेरा कुछ जाए ना, because it's a little bit flaky. इधर जाके ये हटा सकते हैं, इस पे front end चलता है, back end का इस पे है, इस पे चला सकते हैं. ये server. Whoa. इधर चलाना है. End में मिले. Routes, post route, correct. अगर एक तो post है directly post Let's just say I am very happy about green screen. Damn. Anyway, we're so back. Let me just share. Correct. अबे मेरा कैम ओके. I thought कैमरा चलेगा 1 सेकंड के लिए. Not to mention, my laptop is not as strong as it was once, but it's still a soldier, man. We're pushing through. Yeah, I do. I swear. Okay, मैं बस chat वगैरह वापस setup कर रहा हूँ. Crazy. Pop-up chat. एक तो यार, the thing is, my table is in such a way that I keep like slouching, so I don't want to do that. So let's not do that. अरे भाई आजा. Okay, perfect. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to share screen. It's fine अगर like मैं अभी LinkedIn का actually ठीक है तब देखेंगे. I'll just start sharing my screen. Where do you share your screen? Very good. Also, full disclosure, मैं Claude use करने वाला for Tailwind styling. So, just saying. इधर UI का काम mainly करते हैं, and इधर we will do backend का काम. Right. तो basically मेरे को जहाँ पे main अपना करना है, I think मेरा post वाला is done. Right. इधर बस मुझे क्या भेजना है? Content भेजना है. I think this is just something I have to put in the damn when I haven't opened that in a while. I think it was confirm step. Confirm step में मेरा एक post था, I believe. Yeah, there you go. Review post, right? Content, post button. Yeah, schedule. Okay, so basically I would have to make something like post content, schedule content from use posts or use post rather. Yeah, let's start with use post. बाकी का बाद में देखते हैं. Oh, use post. There you go. I do have use posts. Oh, but this is for UI, right? हाँ, perfect. ठीक है. Use post.ts. Boom, RFC. तुम पे रुक जा. तुम्हें import मारते हैं. Right. Also, मैंने इतना टाइम बाद रिएक्ट करे कि मैं थोड़ी चीजें भूल गया. So apparently, do you guys want to like know some React refresher stuff? Damn, I don't even know मैं क्या कर. Last time फैजान का था ना इसका. Basically, तुम्हारे जो hooks होते हैं इसको ऊपर डालो. You have something called hooks React में, right? Then you also have something. Whoa, brother. Then you also have something called component. Obviously, ये तो main है तुम्हारे components में, right? Now the thing is, you usually use hooks inside components. The thing is, जब तुम वो करते हो, how are components supposed to handle errors, right? मतलब, like, are components supposed to handle errors? कि मतलब अगर कुछ error आए उसको दिखाएंगे कैसे? तो turns out, just जो error handling का part है, मैंने अपना backspace, control backspace पे map करा हुआ है. So bear with me. ठीक है, तुम्हारे कंपोनेंट्स को बस ऑब्वियसली बाय डिफॉल्ट बस व्यू को दिखाना है. जो एरर हैंडलिंग का एक्चुअल ट्राई कैच वाला ब्लॉक है वो तुम्हारे हुक्स में आएगा. ट्राई कैच, एरर हैंडलिंग, एंड दिस विल बेसिकली जैसे तुम्हारा यूज रिएक्ट क्वेरी या रिएक्ट क्वेरी का तुम्हारा जो लाइब्रेरी है वो तुम्हें एक एरर फील्ड एक्सपोज करता है जिसको तुम बेसिकली कंपोनेंट में दिखाते हो. सो बाय डिफॉल्ट जब भी तुम अपना कस्टम हुक बना रहे हो, जैसे हम इसमें बनाने वाले हैं, we would give the error from the hook to basically अपना component और component अपने view में दिखा देगा कि हाँ भाई ये error आया तो ये नहीं कर सकते. Just a little refresher, you know. Async function post content. Actually, the thing is we'll also have to create a post, right? Like we want to save this. Do we want to save this is the question. Also top chat में क्यों है? I want live chat. Yeah, the question is, do we want to save this? Probably we do, but वो बाद में ऐड करते हैं. अभी के लिए post अगर कर रहे होते then I would rather have create post बट पोस्ट कंटेंट इज फाइन, वो अंदर इंटरनली बैकएंड पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. सो ट्राई कैच विल बी हियर बाय द वे. एरर. ठीक है, अभी तो console.error मारते हैं. And यहाँ पे तुम्हारा मेरे config में मैंने डाला है कि नहीं? डाला है. Okay. Const res is equal to await my base. क्या लिखा मैंने? Config. Base URL slash post, I believe. Is it slash? It is slash post. It is slash post. Correct. Slash post. तुम्हारा obviously this is post method. Oh, exactly. ये सब हटाते हुए, ये सब आते हुए, हाँ इसको ठीक है, इट्स फाइन. एनीवे मेथड पोस्ट होगा, हेडर्स. आई थिंक आई शुड स्टार्ट पुटिंग लाइक तुम्हारा कंटेंट टाइप वाला ही पोस्ट में मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक वो ऑलरेडी है बाय द वे फास्टिफाई का बाय डिफॉल्ट एप्लीकेशन स्लैश JSON, या फिर बाद में ऑब्वियसली लाइक वो डालेंगे बॉडी JSON.stringify इस तुम्हारा कंटेंट, एंड ये कंटेंट का आएगा कंटेंट स्ट्रिंग, एंड ये हम बैकएंड पे ऐसे पिकअप करेंगे जहाँ पे body.content से. राइट नाउ वी बेसिकली चेक कि हे इफ नॉट res.ok, and res.ok is not just applicable to 200 but in this range, by the way. Throw new error. Did not work, by the way. Right, console.error s.status. Right. And अगर काम कर गया then see the thing is अब मेरे को go type आदत पड़ गई है, राइट? तो तुम्हारे confirm में देख, अब अगर मेरे को एरर प्रोपेगेट करना है तो मैं क्या करूं? You know what I mean? Like अब क्या मैं उसको hooks में दिखाऊं? But then component का, but it's a toast message, right? So but at the same time it's better to show it here. Yeah. So let's do this. तुम्हारा async function on schedule क्या कहते हैं, on post click क्या कहते हैं, तुम्हारा const status errors, like मेरे को गो की आदत पड़ रही है यहाँ पे. post content await करते हुए, right? So instead of throw, actually we can do this. Return false error dot to string अगर कुछ है. Just इसको मैं बाद में ब्रश अप कर दूंगा, बट लाइक दैट्स द थिंग. मैं द रीजन आई एम डूइंग दिस इज बिकॉज अगर मेरा स्टेटस फॉल्स निकला देन आई कैन बेसिकली लाइक शो टोस्ट हियर, क्योंकि मेरे को सारा व्यू कंपोनेंट में रखना है विथ एरर. एंड तुम्हारा यहाँ पे भी इंस्टेड ऑफ थ्रो, हाँ थ्रो न्यू एरर तो नीचे थ्रो करके मेरे को मिल देगा. रिटर्न status as true, error as. In fact, error can be optional. I don't even have to send an error. Right. Right. So इसका मैं यहाँ पे define कर सकता हूँ, right? Status is boolean and तुम्हारा error which is string. What is your issue? The return type of promise. Yes, correct. My bad. My bad. Yep. Same thing. Except of post, I think slash schedule मैंने करा हुआ है. Slash post slash schedule, correct. Yeah. Register cron job and DB यहाँ पे मेरे को करना होगा, correct. वो okay. Reply dot send message get Yeti to be implemented, bro. Damn. Dot code 501, I think. Return by the way. And it's going to task with that. Even Yeti wants now. Yeah, let's go to it. अरे मैं भी महान एक नंबर का चैट ही हटा डाला. I wanted to close Excalibur, not remove chat. Load testing stream. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. The greatest of chat removals. Yeah. So I believe post slash schedule, maybe we have the same body.content, correct. At the same time, I would also like schedule request or post ad. Oh, I do have that. Content post at date.now, I guess. My bad. Oh. Wait, is date.now like method, right? Huh. So the thing is, I can start running dev server. I can I have enough for me to spin up Claude and start styling this better. But before that, I need to do a few things. पहले तो let's try this. And backend pay, in fact, yeah, backend pay. Let's इसको बंद करो. Slash define की जगह, like before I actually make the LLM call, अभी के लिए I'm just going to return reply dot send or 200 or 201 200. क्या भेज रहा मैं वापस कंटेंट में. Wow. So amazing, dude. Right. So, अब इसको जब मैं चलाऊं implement there little bit. Whoa. What? Oh right, dev server. My bad. I like a clean slate. I like a personally I like a clean slate. So ठीक है ये चल रहा है तुम्हारा ये चल रहा है हमारा yeah brother what is up oh God. Hey let's go can't edit this by the way it is only read only and back के लिए बस वापस जाओ कुछ अगर वापस करना है Bruh. Okay, that's great. यहाँ पे what if I send in a 501 और अगर इसी चीज को चलो एरर मैसेज ही से उल्लू बनाया बड़ा मजा आया oh but we're gonna only get the this thing no इसको भी हैंडल करना पड़ेगा it's fine हाँ Are we not console logging anything? What? Oh right, because use refine तुम्हारा अलग दिखाएगा. हाँ. Interesting. Why am I using use refine? Oh. Us refine. Correct. On close, on complete. Oh. No. That is what? Right. Huh. Am I doing something wrong? No, but अगर मैंने ऑन क्लिक पे आया जहाँ पे मैं बेसिकली रिफाइन कर रहा हूँ एंड मेरे को एक एरर आ रहा है This is for this. If that's not okay, set error is bro. एरर भी मैं भेज रहा हूँ await on click if not error then on complete right हाँ Is my network tab just giving me the right response? Oh, it is. Message internal server. What? What? Huh? How is that even possible? Hey, thank God, not just me. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Throwing a new error in custom all the error parent handler on the hub will be triggered once the first. Yeah. I should probably dot status. Okay. Oh, is it like? Oh, is it like? Is it like that? Is my was my order completely wrong? Because that would make sense. Oh, my order was wrong. Why? What's up, Fazan? क्या चल रहा है? So that is not good. Um, dot code brother. Oh, wrong code base. Dot code. Yeah, see, like इधर भी instead of एक सेकंड तो मैं एटलीस्ट ये कर देता हूँ अभी के लिए इंटरनल सर्वर एरर हाँ 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 इसको हटा सकते हैं इसको ऊपर ला सकते हैं राइट Don't you feel weird talking to yourself? Not really. मैं normally भी like अगर मैं कोड like stream नहीं भी कर रहा होता मैं खुद से ही बात करता हूँ. Probably not like a pretty weird thing, but it's fun talking to yourself. So, like, plus like जब मैं बाहर बात करता तो like मुझे it's like मैं एक जगह से कोड लिख रहा हूँ दूसरी जगह से अपना कोड देख रहा हूँ तो like दोनों के बीच में conversation चल रहा है. Yeah, it's very like yeah. Anyway, code 500. And yes, if you want the same answer, I am talking to Shivank. Uh, now there should not be a reply except this. Why are you here? Good. Okay. You almost hurt me there for a second. Don't worry, brother. ऐसे थोड़ी. I am also talking. That it's not false, obviously. Dude, even in the office also, when I'm sometimes talking to myself, like not as frequent as जितना मैं स्क्रीन पे कर रहा हूँ, बट कभी कभी होता है कि like मैं बस देख रहा हूँ कि तो क्या कर रहा हूँ यार मैं ऐसे करके तो like आसपास के लोग थोड़ा ऐसे like पीछे शोभित आ रही हो क्या खुद से बात कर रहा हूँ तो options bro. On complete, on close, reset. Reset में do I not have? I do have that. Oh, but it's on close. Create dialog. अबे create no but अगर error आया है I should not be going to the confirm step, right? So isn't that what this is for? No, but why is it जब मुझे 204 okay very very weird even though there are error what अब तो बैकएंड का भी सही आ रहा है Was it because of this? I don't see a bra. That's probably because of this. That is probably because of that. Correct. तो set error तो आ गया. Oh, is it because मैं I think I know. Create error आ गया पीछे जाओ तो तुम फिर भी नहीं दिख रहे हो. हाँ. Ah, there you go. Got him. Why is that? Is it because of this? How does that make sense? जब मैं error यहाँ पे आ गया है and on click में क्या भेज रहा हूँ मैं? Define. So define should also, yeah, that makes no sense. The fact कि ये switch हो रहा है means कि this isn't working. Okay. Maybe I don't check it here. Complete. Maybe I check it here. इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं हुई. How does that make any sense? Because अगर तुम्हारा error set हो रहा है, it should like re-render everything, right? Have I just forgotten React? I've forgotten React. It's not कि मेरा error set नहीं हो रहा. Because मेरा error set हो रहा है. It is, I think, because why set error हो रहा है. Finally set false. Is it because of this? That will be the craziest thing. What's the error? It basically shouldn't pass. If I'm getting an error on this thing, it should technically not pass to this section. No, it should just be over here. The error is there, but it's like still like this is not working basically because तुम्हारा it's saying कि error doesn't exist, but I'm setting it over here, and this is my error. Oh. I think I got it. I did not get it. Oh, okay. This is interesting. I don't want to get stuck on this of all things, यार. एक तो मैं साइड में क्लाउड को बोलूं कि लाइक ओ बॉस तुम अपना करते रहो. I mean, I should have a return here that is correct, that is not correct. I should probably define things with like. Okay, there's lots to do actually now. Let's do okay, one step at a time. ठीक है, एरर का बाद में सॉर्ट करते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक दिस शुड बी इनसाइड माय ऑन राइट. इसको भी हटाओ. Yeah, that's correct. Error should be there. Okay, let's see. So basically, हमारा cancel. Why is that? क्या हो गया? Yeah, I am doing set error. Like React is also asynchronous with its setters, so I know that's possibly something to do with it. No, but I don't want to throw the. That's what I'm saying. No, this is what I said in this thing also. My hook should not throw the error to the UI. My hook should give the error to the UI saying कि boss error ये है. वो तो throw new error में तो obviously होगा. That's the whole point of this thing. Yeah, that's my whole point of this thing. जहाँ पे I'm saying कि listen, let my hooks do the error handling, and when I do have an error, I'll give it to my component. Your job is to view it, like दिखा दो error को, which it is happening. It's not that it's not happening. Yeah, it's not that it's. I'm keeping the UI stupid basically, right? It's not that it's not happening. It's just like ये तुम्हारा error ही आ रहा है. It's just it should not go to the next thing. So it's not that it's not working, it is, but just well, I think like logic usme set error is asynchronous in nature, right? And whenever you change the state, all of your UI renders, and I think us time mein it's like skipping to the next thing without actually waiting for the error. So I think it's that, but ठीक है, let's see that later. Anyway, अच्छा अभी तुम की 500 दे रहे हो बॉस? Huh? Am I throwing that error explicitly, Abhi? I'm supposed to be throwing this thing. No? Or did I never restart it? Yeah, take this card. I don't think it's that big of an issue. One second, I'm getting a call. BRB chat, I have a parcel to collect. BRB. we're back, chat. We are back. हाँ. तो भाई तो वैसे तो UI में बचा ही कितना है? एक सेकंड, I'm just checking something. Not bad. एंड अगर मैं चाहूँ तो ये भी चलेगा. Chat, decide a color: black, white, or blue. What color do you like? Black, white, or blue? बताओ. Crazy. I'm personally a black person, but what is the general saying? I think I can start with black or blue. Yeah, right. सारे तो option बोल दिया. I think let's start with black. White? Okay, चलो. Let's do white. We're gonna do white then. Sure. Okay, coming back. The thing is, we should also probably handle like better. We should do like better error handling. So, yeah. Technically, you can do it. Once payload. It's just that it would be define error response. Wait, let's dot JSON, and this would be what? Payload dot message. General is blue, but it looks sort of generic. That is true. हाँ? ओ मैंने ब्रई तो लिखा था. मेरी गलती. यार, my bad. Let's do that. Also, I should probably set up Notebon at this point, but it's fine. We vibe anyways. So if I come back, perfect. ठीक है. So white switching, चलो we'll see that later. But anyways, को डालो create schedule पे now. It should throw 500. It should. I did not call it. Thank God. Is it throwing a 500? Anyway, इसको अब हटा सकते हैं. I think now we can spend some tokens. Let's delete this part. Let's remove logs now. ठीक है. Let's go to post.route. And this is where we're going to be like, hey, 501 not implemented. And this is where we have implemented it. Right. Okay. Let's start. Let's start posting. But before that, let's just make a note. Do you create the post and then post it? I think you create the post and then post it. In DB. So basically, oh, I think we can try Drizzle, by the way, as our ORM. Let me just find a nice post from Twitter. 1 second. जो इस पर मैंने like actual कुछ लिखा है. Also, if my hypothesis is correct. Okay, it's not correct. That is fine. What's some recent tech post I did? चलो ये ले लेते हैं. Boom. Screen share again. So I should probably use this mode. ठीक है. Yeah, I think we can post. Can we not post? I mean, this is the post. Cancel karo. Okay. What happened to my use post? Right. Post error response is also the same, right? I'm not sending anything. Oh, I'm not sending anything here also. Reply dot code. In this case, it will be 201 dot send posted content on LinkedIn. Do we get the post URL also? Am I just not returning that? No, I'm not returning that. That is completely fine. Not everything needs to be returned. Let's return. That does need to be returned for good measure. 201 post content on LinkedIn. That will be our post request, schedule request. I guess type post response. Message string. Post response. Just to use it. As post error response, as post error response. Not that you need it, but like it's fine. At least abhi ke liye. ठीक है, this is done. So I can just like, except creating the DB wala post, I can just like post it, right? I just need to post content and schedule post में correct. Oh, but this should not throw the error. I should set the error with it here. And I think over here also I should be doing this. Right. This naturally seems correct. Set error, payload message, error. Oh, then I don't need return error, right? I can just like, yeah, I don't even need to do that. वही मैं सोचूं. ठीक है, शेड्यूल पे तो लाइक नाइस. ओके, वी हैव द एरर देयर. फिर क्या करना है? We do a success. This is probably not the best code, Abhi, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And इसको मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ confirm step में, right? जहाँ पे it's not that I want this, it's that I want error success. If not success, console.log error, and same तुम्हारा will come on schedule click, except instead of post content I'm gonna put hey schedule content. I think I'm missing something. Oh, loading, right? Why didn't I just... Yeah, finally पे जा रहे, we don't need it there, to be honest. Now you might ask, oh, why do we require loading over here? Well, of course you do, dude, because how are you gonna disable the button, man? Boom, boom, and then scheduling, schedule. Oh. Posting post. Okay. Okay. I think we have a flow. Uh-huh. Not to mention this success. भूल गया. Okay, are we ready, boys? बैकएंड नया स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ. I'm trying out Fastify for the backend on my relay. So since we are already experimenting something new, oh, 404. I think I know why. I think I know why. That is why. See? That's what happens when you're stupid. So, don't be stupid. I have to register my route and तब जाके ही तो like करेगा. Okay, now real talk chat. What? Oh. Ah, let's look at that. Post. We have a 201, boys. Let me just pull up LinkedIn. Let me just pull up LinkedIn. Let me just pull up LinkedIn. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Boom. Anyway, I don't want to keep this post up, so I'm going to delete it. But it works. Let's go. So that is done. I guess we can commit stuff. Use multi-step dialog for new post workflow and add post config. Head. Let's go. Claude, हाँ styling के लिए ठीक है थोड़ा vibe coding भी करते हैं. And what changes have I done here? Git add automation. Oh, right. Commit, refactor, extract common logic into common module, and add Fastify server with initial routes. That being said, let's let the vibe coding begin. Yes, I trust this folder. By the way, when I say vibe coding, I don't mean like vibe coding. You know what I mean? I just set the AI model. Should we use like Claude Opus? This is a simple repo with a simple dashboard right now. I want you to mainly focus on styling and making it better. We're using Tailwind and Chatslian for the components for styling. Let's start with making the navbar look nice, and then we can shift to dashboard. Let's see. I could also get something to eat, just saying. Actually, I can get something to eat, but ठीक है. थोड़ा decent इसको styling लगाते हैं. अभी तो no post found का कुछ आया, right? तो इसको पहले सुधारते हैं, and then we can shift on how the layout should look like when we have multiple posts, like a grid type layout, 3-4 post एक row में. So once that is done, we're done with the app, except like एक login डालना पड़ेगा. I'll start with a login for myself. The thing is, if I like this, and if I think this is actually worth it, then I will actually convert this into something जो लोग use कर सके. But then I will add payments because tokens are not going to pay for themselves. And this is like if I were to convert this into a product, this is something usually like जब भी मैं कुछ बनाता हूँ हम लोग वो इसको extend कर सकते हैं into a product. I'm like अरे यार but कौन pay करेगा? This is way too simple to make and whatnot. But this is a good problem. अगर किसको use करना है. And the thing is I think I know how to shift in the what do you say auth logic of getting your LinkedIn का access token into the like अपना relay का flow without anyone having to upload it, like from the website itself basically, right? The only difference is जब तुम खोलोगे you'll have to log into LinkedIn at that moment, and that's when it will send me the code, and then I'll pick up the code and convert it into an access token and then store it with myself. And yeah, just that I'll probably have to be very careful with their access token. Probably I have to be very careful with their access token. तो वो तो DB पे अपना होगा. Nobody should know anything about that. So I think we're pretty good. Is allow all edits in this session. Is it even? Whoa! Not bad. Not too bad. तुमने मेरा SVH हटा दिया? Hey, oh damn, not bad at all, dude. Footer. Hey, brother. Here are some of the further changes made. तुमने क्या इस पे भी कुछ change मारा है? No, I don't think so. No. अरे अभी तो इतना अच्छा हुआ था. What happened? This is nice. Plugin install. Okay. I don't think that is actually going to put in any difference. Huh? Am I stupid? Oh, do I like? Wait a second. No, it is still that. Is it not going to paste an image? Whoa. This is what I don't like. Yeah, maybe. Ah. Oh. It would be crazy अगर like ये मेरे को preview terminal app पे दिखाने लगे. Bebop it? Bebop? So footer तो ठीक है, but that is the actual section where it's like matters. Nav bar dashboard, right? MX Auto Max. What if that is the issue? Didn't you make the change of 6XL? Did I not do anything like? इतना टाइम कब से लेने लग गया bro? Hey, कुछ तो कर रहा है. Right, see there you go. Hey, there you go. ये तो मैं खुद ही कर सकता था. It's fine. Much better. Okay, now let's also improve the create dialog. The styling of dialog and its steps. Its key spelling is wrong, right? It's ITS, not my bad. Stupid, but my bad. It's completely fine. It's completely fine. Now, by the way, मेरा phone charge हो गया, I can technically just like start listening to my edits that I have. Whoa! Bro! They got Paris on NPCI का podcast? For Lost Funk? Hey, dude, I have to watch this. बढ़िया यार. ये बहुत बढ़िया यार. Oh, dude, come on. Anyway, I think this is done with this changes. Dialogue has been widened. Just a clean text area. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like that. Refine with AI. Bro, let's see what we have to cook. Perfect. Oh, M dash. New post. Can you change the placeholder text to something better and more meaningful on confirm step? And also there is an overlap between step 1/2 text and the modal close button. Let's fix that as well. But dude, this is exactly what I wanted. And तब तक मैं इसके लिए mock data बना देता हूँ. Utils, I guess mock .ts. Export cons, mock posts, post info का array. वो भी मैं उसी से लिखाऊंगा. Great. Hey, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Oh, beautiful. I like this. Me likey. I ended up इधर छोटा है मेरा बड़ा है हाँ. I ended up. Here's how the fundamental concept of Fastify revolves around plugins. In JavaScript, like everything is an object. Like in JavaScript, everything is an object. Similarly, in Fastify, everything is a plugin. Your route is a plugin. Your DB connection is a plugin. Your middleware, I guess, is a plugin, etc. These plugins are usually scoped to the things you declare, I guess, for lack of a better word. But can be made global through the decorate method, and then can access that on the Fastify instance that is passed. 4:15 out of 20 minutes. Oh, out of 20 minimum. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine with AI. Huh? Why network error? Oh, my bad. अरे यार मैंने इतना अच्छा खासा लिखा था. Check error fam. Damn. Actually, I know मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. One second. This is where I think दक्ष ने मेरे को ये बताया था. Let me check. Fastify. Huh? Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. I have a pretty big post. ठीक है, so let's see. ये मैंने I think दक्ष को ही करा था on x.com the everything app. Boom, 1070. Let's go. Okay. Let's just spin this up. Boom. Oh, I think होने वाला है. Of course, it'll take time because like, there you go. AI refined, not bad. Okay. I really started thinking I should go with XTMX or Angular, but honestly, I missed writing React. It's been months since I started React project. For the backend, I wanted to try something different than Express. Express isn't really being maintained anymore, and the only backends I have running in production for my projects are in Golang. So I wanted to try something with Node, specifically Node backend with SQL, because the only compo I ever used since college is Express with Mongo. Fastify seemed familiar enough while still having new concepts worth exploring. I did go through the plugin system and turns out everything in Fastify is a plugin. Your routes, a plugin. Your database connection, a plugin. Oh, this is so AI coded, bro. And obviously, you can add custom plugins too. The general pattern is simple. Create a plugin and register it with the Fastify instance. There is also an interesting scoping mechanism. For example, service A in your code base will have a scoped Fastify instance that is completely separate from service B unless you explicitly make something available at the global level like your database client. Bro, this is worth posting like abhi, to be honest. Post now. Did we post it? Did I post it, man? Let me check. Let me just check, chat. Hey, let's go. Let me share screen. Boom. So there you go. Hey, not bad. Yeah, I really started off with this. Oh, dude, amazing. Posted, everything done. Let's go. Okay. So that is for this. Okay, now let's see how our post feed should look once I add in the DB on the backend. The post info type is present in at types/index. Let's create mock data of around 50 posts here in mock, and then let's see how we can render it meaningfully on posts. Correct? Meaningfully, brother.
This is not bad. See, this is a good use of AI. Styling usko de do, mock data fill karao, layout ka kara do. As someone who doesn't like UIs, like styling वगैरह, this is great. I can focus on the functional part, and it can just do it. You know.
Agar if I was a design engineer, things would be different. But I'm not a design engineer, dude. What can I'm not a design engineer. Not yet, at least. अभी तक बनने का मन नहीं है. So I would rather focus on backend stuff because it's just more fun, dude. Okay, अब मैं अपने edits at least इस पे सुनने वाला हूँ. So while you listen to lo-fi, I shall listen to my edits, man. Oh, Neove में tree setter हट रहा है? What? I also need, yeah, that's it. This is nice. Created first post to get started. Nice. Also, meanwhile, Drizzle and Fastify. Fastify, perfect. PG, Pino, अरे ओ भाई. Huh? Why do we need, what is Pino? Pino is built on to run on Node.js with a bare. What is Pino? एक second. मेरे कीबोर्ड की वो लाइटिंग चेंज हो जाती है जब मैं गलत करता हूँ. ND JSON फॉर्मेटर. ND JSON. ND तो तुम्हारा NDs. Oh, it's a logger. Why would I want that? I don't. No, thank you very much. Okay, let's. Okay, 8 seconds. I think it's done. Oh, perfect. Mock posts. Use posts. Oh, perfect. I don't even need to change anything except just go. Oh, bro. Not bad. Hey, this is actually pretty good. I would like that my post is a dialogue. Actually, it's fine. Version 1. I need to like use this more than anything. 36 posted, 14 scheduled. Nice. Content truncated to 2 lines with perfect. Nice, I like it. And then new post पे ही आ जाता है. Dude, version 1 done. Okay. Beta की जगह I'll put beta. Okay, great. Login, right? ठीक है. This is great. So what I probably need from the backend is something like तुम्हारा post fastify.get /posts, but I'll probably have to do this in a paginated way. So that's the thing. request reply try catch error. Mm-hmm. Nice. ठीक है, I think कितना टाइम हो गया स्ट्रीम को, because I do need to have a little bit food and all. 1:40, not bad. I think I can stream tomorrow. Because आज मेरे पास है time. So I'll probably stream tomorrow also for a bit. At least like, I think like we can finish this and मैं अपने domains वगैरह में डाल पे auth डालना है. Main दो है, अभी auth डालना है and अभी db डालना है. So auth and db हो गया and then I can start using a domain पे host करके अपना मैं कर सकता हूँ. I think username password से just start simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And how am I getting that exactly? Oh man, उस पे मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. I should shift that to my DB, to be honest. And I should also probably have a script to update that. ठीक है, we can do that. Sounds good. चलो, good stream. I think like UI is brushed up. दो तीन main चीजें हो गए. And yeah, I think we're good. Basically, I'll post a video like record करके कि like, oh, this is now UI के साथ मैं post कर रहा हूँ. That's different. But yeah, चलो. I think like let me just map out कि कैसे करना है, because I think वो error handling का भी एक चीज़ है मेरे को figure out करनी है. And we're good. चलो, bye bye.